What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Simply Carbon Fiber case for the iPhone X. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give us my quick in-depth review. So this case was actually suggested by one of you viewers out there, and I thought I would check it out. And it's from a brand called Simply Carbon Fiber that produces a number of different carbon fiber products, everything from pocket knives to sunglasses to, in this case here, an iPhone case. So for those of you who picked this up, it comes in a reusable protective pouch. And first off, we have a few pamphlets here, one for a contest, a thank you card, as well as a Simply Carbon Fiber sticker. So here is the case. There's a bit more packaging to peel off to reveal the carbon fiber back. And yes, this is a legitimate, real, genuine carbon fiber. And the rest of the case here, which you can see, is a thin polycarbonate shell. It's a simple snap-on style case. We'll go power button side first, and then pop the other side in. So first off, this case is compatible with my edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector for those of you who are rocking those. But anyways, taking a quick overview of this case, you don't really get much top protection, so I do strongly recommend a screen protector with this style of case. On the sides, you have cutouts for the volume rockers, vibrate ringer switch, as well as the power button on the other side. The bottom, you have full access to your mic, stereo speakers, and lightning port. And the most highlighted feature of this case is the carbon fiber back with the Simply Carbon Fiber logo imprinted on the bottom. Overall guys, the first impressions, for those of you who like this style of case with carbon fiber and something that's thin and not too bulky, then it's a pretty well made case. It's a slimmer case than hybrid style cases, but you still get crucial protection around the areas such as the corners, sides, and the back. Carbon fiber is generally a material that's considered premium. You see it in high-end cars, and adding it to the iPhone case really sets off the look and quality of a case. It's a really scratch-resistant material, and coupled with the space gray black iPhone, matches really well. In terms of any cons or changes I would make with the case, my only change I would make is for Simply Carbon Fiber to offer a hybrid style case that features a TPU bezeled border in combination with a polycarbonate shell. That way, you can cover the exposed areas such as the top, bottom, and sides while still having that carbon fiber look on the back. However, for those of you who want something even slimmer than a hybrid style case, then this one here will not disappoint. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a slim carbon fiber case for your brand new iPhone X, you definitely can't go wrong with Simply Carbon Fiber. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.